Welcome back once again to Trade Like Skills channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about 3 things that I wish I knew totally before starting forex trading. Without more further ado, let's talk about the first one. The first one is that overnight success. First of all, many people come into forex trading thinking that they are going to become rich the next day or the next week or in the next hours. So in that course they end up losing. They end up losing hope because they thought that they could get into that in one day or 1 week or in the next hours, and then they lose their money and then they get frustrated. So in this game, there is no way you're going to get rich in 1 day or 2 days. The only thing that you have to do is to learn. You have to first get someone to teach you. If you don't have someone to mentor you, then you get your mentorship from, you make your research from Google or anywhere, but that doesn't help so much. But it's better to get a mentor. So when you learn, get a strategy and backtest the strategy, and then you get into the game. That's when you will get to that richness or that wealth that you ever wanted. So let's go to number 2. Start with one. Start with one pair. Don't trade all pairs. If you trade all pairs, you're not going to make it, guys. Get one pairs or 2 pairs, understand them correctly. Keep on practicing, keep on trying them, keep on making yourself well conversant with them. So the moment you will understand how to trade those pairs, then each and everything is going to be all right. Because most of the traders come into trading thinking that they're going to trade each and every pair in the market. You'll find someone in GBP USD, you find someone in Euro USD, you find someone in gold, and then they end up losing. If you want to understand trading, check the link in the bio or down in the description below, and then you join our Telegram channel. And then you find more of your friends there, and you find more of people who are winning daily, who are making profits daily, and then you learn from us. So without more further ado, we are still talking about start with one pair. If you start with one pair, everything is okay. And if you start with one mentor, if you start with one person who's going to teach you, who's going to show you the way, of course you're going to skip a lot of things that you could find on the way. A lot of things that could be a barrier to you in order to get to where you wanted. So if you start with one pair, if you start with one person to teach you, if you start with one heart of winning, of course, it's sure deal. You're going to make money. You're going to make each and everything that you want in forex trading. So the third thing, and the most hard thing that people really don't get into and feel like they can stay. The thing is that you are going to lose your money. It's okay to lose. It's okay to lose money in trading, but it matters. This is what separates pros from the beginner traders. So pros, they know how to manage risk. Beginner traders, they don't know how to manage risk. They just jump into the market anywhere at any time, at any moment, and then they end up losing their money, which is not going to be working for you. Of course, you have to sit down and understand that with markets, you have to learn, understand, follow each and every step. And if you have a strategy, or if you build a strategy, of course, you will learn more about minimizing losses and what we call risk management. If you have good proper position sizing, of course, market will be a walkover as long as you're having what we call a strategy. If you don't have a strategy, then you are lost. The only thing that you can build is a strategy. And if you have one strategy, don't jump from one strategy to another. Jumping from one strategy to another is going to make you lose more money. Most of the times, most traders, they end up losing money because of that issue. So the most traders who lose money, they lose money because they end up thinking that jumping from one strategy to another is the thing that is going to work for me. Sometimes there is a time you are in what we call losing streak, and the whole week or the whole month you are losing. But doesn't mean that your strategy doesn't work, but it matters how you are losing. Because if I'm losing like 2 trades in a week and winning like 5 trades, of course, if I'm winning like 5 trades, of course, I'm in win. I'm making money. I'm in profits. I'm not losing money. So if I know how to manage risk, and I know that maybe if I take a trade, I'm risking maybe 100 USDs to make maybe 2000 USDs. Of course, I'm not risking a lot. I'm risking little money. So it's all about calculating the percentage of the money that you are ready to lose and the money that you are ready to gain, because the markets change every time because of the economy. Economy changes each and every time, each and every minute. So you can't predict the future. And the other thing, you have to only look at what is happening at the moment. Because if you look at the future or if you look at the past, of course, you'll get disappointed by the market. So if you have one time frame that you are looking at as your analysis, but you have a bigger time frame that you know that this is the direction that the market has been in, of course, it's going to be helpful to you and it's going to help you achieve what you want. So if you know how to use that strategy and you have backtested that strategy each and every time, of course, you're going to make money. So let no one lie to you that you can just get into trading today and then tomorrow you are making money. Bro, we took time to learn this. So if you learn well, if you understand well, of course, you're going to make money. But if you don't learn well and if you don't practice, of course, you're not going to make money. So it's up to you. And the other thing, we have to look at psychology. If you look at psychology or mindset, if your mindset doesn't adhere with trading and doesn't move with trading, of course, you don't want to understand that my profits that I make. Of course, if you want to understand what to do with the markets, you have to work mostly on your psychology or your mindset. You have to believe that you can do this. You have to believe that you can achieve what you're doing. So the mindset goes with entries that you're going to be taking. Sometimes you may have FOMO, fear of missing out. You miss a trade or you have fear of missing a trade. So sometimes when the market reaches into your point of interest, you will jump into the market without confirming. If you don't have confirmation, of course, never take a trade. You have to first get confirmation and then you take a trade. So, and some guys just jump into the markets because the market is leaving them. Where they thought that they could enter from, the market left that zone already. So they just jump into the market and then they end up losing their money. So I don't want you guys to fall into that trouble. So if you want to make good money and if you want to learn well how to trade, tap the link in the bio or in the description down there below, and then you join our Telegram chat or Telegram group, and then you'll find my WhatsApp number, you'll find my chat for Telegram, and then we shall talk and you learn how to do this. If you like this video and if it has helped you out, please subscribe and tap on the like button and share with your friends so that they can understand all these tips that I've been telling you. Thank you.